I'm just running the program. Yeah. So now I'm going to feed a value, maybe 2. And then I want to run the program. Yeah, see here. Heart rate is 30, but it is showing lamp as color is not changed. We'll see what where it went wrong. And maybe in the condition we might have given wrongly, nothing else. So I'll give it to 1. The heart rate it is giving 60. We'll make it as 0.8. Yes, 75. Showing like that. So maybe in the program, logic could be changed. If heart rate is less than 60, we make it as greater than 60. Okay. And less than 100. Okay. It is supposed to be green. Else it is supposed to be red. For lamp, app.lamp.color. Yes. Hope now color will change. We'll see. Yes. See now, time period I changed to 2. Therefore, 60 by 2. 60 by 2 is 30. So your heart rate is falling below 60. Now LED, I mean lamp is showing a alert symbol. So this is how we can make use of a lamp. So how we are going to use for your own program, this is how we can design a logic. Okay. So if it is heart rate somewhere, if it is a speech recognition or somewhere in the program, if your condition is getting false or true. So if you require a lamp, you can make use of the lamp in that way. Okay, this is about your third experiment.